Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Pushajwada binti Mahbuad, matrix number 1221837. Today, we would like to present our project titled Artificial Intelligence AI Powered Keyboard for Cyberbullying Prevention. This project focuses on how artificial intelligence can be used as a proactive tool to reduce and prevent cyberbullying in digital communication. To begin, cyberbullying refers to harming, threatening, or intimidating others through social media, messaging application, and email. Cyberbullying has serious negative impacts on mental health, personal safety, and overall well-being, especially among students. According to UNICEF's statistic from 2020, 52% of teenagers have experienced cyberbullying, with Asia ranking as the second highest region globally. One of the main challenges in addressing cyberbullying is the massive amount of online content generated daily, which makes manual monitoring difficult and ineffectiveness. To address this issue, an AI-based solution is proposed that can detect and prevent cyberbullying in real time before harmful messages are sent. While students generally support the use of AI, concerns remain regarding accuracy and data privacy. Therefore, this research focuses on evaluating the effectiveness, user acceptance, and ethical implications of using AI to create safer digital environment.
My name is Nurul Hanisa Zika binti Muhammad Shamsuddin. My matric number is 1221835. The objective for our project is first, to implement bilingual detection mechanism. This system is uniquely trained to identify toxic and harmful words in both Malay and English or other words, ensuring comprehensive coverage for the user. Second, to detection alone is not enough preventions. This is where our second objective is for transformative the future.
There are five rationales based on this project. First, cyberbullying is a serious public health issue that significantly affects mental and emotional well-being, particularly among young people. Second, traditional approaches such as a manual reporting systems and basic word filters are often slow, insufficient, and reactive, meaning they only respond after harms has already occurred. This project proposes a proactive solution by using AI to detect harmful content in real time and recognize bullying patterns as user type. And fourth, the broader impact of this solution is to encourage positive online behavior and support safer, more respectful digital environment. And thus lastly, the main goal of this project is develop an AI-powered keyboard prototype that protects user while promoting kindness and responsible digital communication. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Azhar Nizam. Today I will present to you about design of the system. So for the step 1, the original goal of this project was to develop basic keyboard capable of processing text input using commit text through an input method service. This goal was realized in the prototype through a risk-based implementation where the keyboard interface is constructed using individual key element organized into rows. User interaction with the keys are handled by the handle key input function, which processing each input and display the resulting text in a simulated input field, effectively demonstrating the core functionality of text interly and input handling. So for the step 2, the original goal of this feature was to enable the system to read user input to identify toxic words using a simple backlist approach. In the prototype implementation, a static set named Boolean words is defined to store predefinite toxic term. The analysis stat function then check the most recently typed words against this blacklist, allowing the system to detect potentially harmful language. This function is integrated into the handle key input process, enabling real-time monitoring of text as the user. For the step 3, the original goal of this component was to display a warning user interface in the form of the banner and to offer suggested tag replacement when toxic language is detected. In the prototype implementation, the warning visible stat trigger a full model pop-up whenever the analysis stat function identifies toxic words. The first polite suggestion function then called the Gemini API to generate a polite alternative, replacing the early hard-coding suggestion logic. Finally, the handle use suggestion function allowing the user to accept the recommendation by overwriting the toxic tag with the newly suggested more respectful wording.
Advantages is first, the real-time interventions by detects the potentials harmful language as the user types by allowing for a moment of the reflections preventions. Second is bilingual intelligence by uniquely understand and respond in many language such as English, Malay, and others by addressing a key regional needs. Third is educational approach. Encourage the respectful communications through the constructive warning and suggestions, not just blocking. And next is user autonomy. User retains a full control choosing whether to apply the AI suggestions edits. And last one is built for the future. The modular design is easily expandable with improved detections model, new language, and advanced feature. Advantages for this system is first, real-time interventions by detect potentially harmful language as the user type by allowing for movement of reflections preventions. Second is bilingual intelligence by uniquely understand the response in others language like Malay, English or others by addressing the keywords needs. Third is educational approaching. Encourage the respectful communications through the constructive warning and suggestions, not just blocking. Through the
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nazira Amani binti Ramli. My metric number 1221802. Today, I will present about difficulties during the development of the project. Before discussing the results, this slide highlights the difficulties faced during the development of our project. There are 6 challenges were accounted throughout the system design, implementation, and testing phases, and they play an important role in shaping the final solution. First of all, um, data limitation. Sourcing a comprehensive and culturally relevant dataset of bullying terms in English and Malay language was challenging because it is affecting the initial detection accuracy. Second, context understanding. Differentiating between harmful intent and casual or playful use of certain words. For example, among friends, proof difficult for the rule-based initial prototype. Next, API integration and cost. Integrating the Gemini API for generating polite suggestions introduced dependency, latency in response time, and consideration regarding usage costs for a scalable solution. For user experience design, balancing effective warning mechanisms without being intrusive or disrupting the natural typing experience require multiple design iteration and user feedback. And lastly, multilingual handling. Ensuring accurate detection and appropriate response generation across 2 languages added complexity to the text processing and AI suggestion logic. That's all from me. Thank you. In conclusion, this project shows that AI can be an effective tool to prevent cyberbullying. The prototype is able to detect harmful words in real time and suggest more positive alternatives, encouraging users to communicate more responsibly. It respects users' freedom of expression by offering guidance instead of strict censorship. Although there are limitations in understanding context and handling multiple languages, the system provides a strong foundation for future improvement. Overall, this project highlights the potential of AI to promote safer, kinder, and more mindful online interactions. Thank you.